Hi, I'm Julia and I run the Canopi, which is situated on the ground floor of the newly moved Sustainable Studio in Cardiff. The space has been so warmly welcomed as a venue, and I think we attracted so many different communities. We've had such an eclectic lineup of events so far, and anything from say Raz Kid to hip hop, spoken word, EP launches for folk artists, Griff Reese playing his warm-up shows for his American tour. I feel like anyone can put on anything here. It's kind of all worked and gone really well.
As a musician, it's invaluable really to have creative spaces where you can put on experimental gigs outside of sort of industrial venues.
We're attracting different communities, queer community, women-only events, non-alcoholic, DJ nights, so anything and everything, come and try your ideas here, it'll work. Cardiff Council, I think, have just been instrumental into us getting open. I think we have tapped into some amazing grants that have allowed us to make the venue accessible and also buy new kit as well. So one of the things that was really on my tick list was a space for grassroots music to happen. Those first gigs that we need people to have, those first experiences of a supportive venue. So we're definitely one of those. We're a starter space. I think music is so powerful. I take my children to gigs, and I think just that whole experience of being in a crowd and being part of a community, listening, absorbing the atmosphere and the music is just really life-changing.
Experiencing music as part of an audience and experiencing music in a live setting is really cathartic and you're part of it in a way.
We need more of these spaces to exist. And without them, what is life, essentially?